must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul.
The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be.
Now all you must do is figure out how you can do it, not whether you can or not.
Braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
That the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed.
Believe with every step. Oh, yeah!
You're not where you want to be. You feel like you're supposed to be somewhere about. Say you could snap your fingers and be wherever you wanted to be. I bet you'd still feel this way. Not in the right place. Point is, you can't get so hung up on where you'd rather be that you forget how to make the most of where you are. Or take a break from worrying about what you can't control. Live a little.
You don't have to be the bad guy. You are the most talented, most interesting, and most extraordinary person in the universe. And you are capable of amazing things because you are the special.
It is in you. It's always been in you.
To know something truly and deeply, you must know it with your head, hand, and heart, mind, body, and spirit.
I'm gonna grow up, but I won't stop caring about the people in my life. And they may see the world differently. That's not bad. I think it's inspiring.
If you focus on what you've left behind, you will never be able to see what lies ahead. Now go up and look around.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow.
Decide to be happy. And don't wait for your circumstances to dictate to you that you can have that happiness. Decide to be happy. Waiting to be happy until you have your manifestation causes you to waste today.
If you're going to fulfill your destiny, you have to have a made-up mind that no matter what comes against you, no matter how long it takes, no matter how many times you get knocked down, you are not going to stay down. You're not going to start complaining. You're not going to get soured on life and give up on your dreams. You're going to keep pressing forward, looking for your next victory.
Decide to be happy. You're never going to be happy if you don't decide you're going to be happy in spite of your circumstances.
Oh, what's the use? Every day the same old thing. Life is an endless succession of failures and disappointments.
Well, look on the bright side, Plankton. If all your hopes and dreams finally came true, then you wouldn't have anything left to look forward to.
It's a saying. Yesterday is history.
Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called